is she? Where is the girl you're messing up with? Where is she? I'm talking to you, Njoku. Where is she? Eh? Where? Njoku. Njoku, what is this?
What is what? What is what? What is what?
Njoku, whose blood is this?
It's mosquito blood.
Huh?
Don't you know when you're seeing your period? You keep asking cross questions. Huh? You were the one that stained the bed sheet. You're here asking me.
Hey! Njoku, Chukwu akpola goku.
Huh?
Chukwu akpowo goku. Hey! I am not on my circle. I am not. So start to talk. Who did you disflower on our mountain?
It was your mother that I disflowered.
Njoku, I go give you head though. I will not you.
Very careful.
Where is she?
If I slap your face now, leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Go do this. Mama, is she not yet back?
I've not seen her yet. What nonsense is this? Eh?
Mama, this is strange.
Chami, I want you to tell me the truth. Does she have a male friend?
No.
What is no? You better start talking now. Because if anything should happen to her, you will not go scot-free. Yeah.
Foolish idiot. Njoku, you have the mind, you have the guts to deflower a girl in this room. Njoku, hey, if I catch that girl, if I catch her, I will kill her and drink her blood. So that in her next life, she will never ever open her leg for a married man. She will not dare it. Hey, Kachako jet play. More. Hey, okay.
My daughter! My daughter!
Mama? Wait, is it that she did not tell you where she went to? Where did she go to?
Onye just left this house without telling me anything. Even she was finished, she left her books on the table.
She left her books on the table. In fact, let me get my cutlass. Don't forget to get the use of this village. That we are going for a manhunt.
No,
they must be very ready.
Yes.
What nonsense!
Without telling anybody. She just left. I've been looking for her.
Have you not seen her?
I've told her to tell me the truth. I will not expose you to the police. You know her whereabouts.
Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Yeah. I'm good. No, it's Onyinye. We're looking for her since. Everywhere. Oh, she didn't even tell mommy where she was going to. I don't just understand. Yes. We are looking for her. I will definitely let you know if we find her. Okay. Alright, bye.
You know you nearly killed me, honestly. My body's still paining me. That place is still, now, you scattered it. Yes. You miss me. I miss you too. You want to see me tomorrow? Okay, what time? The same time? Okay, but first, promise you will handle me with care. You know I'm a married woman. it. I do. You're so special, you know. Yes. Okay, see, let me call you tomorrow. My husband is coming, eh? I'll call you tomorrow. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Won't you go and take your bait?
Since when did you start caring? Since when?
You stink. Please go and bathe.
I'm not going anywhere. I will sleep like this. Yes, I'm going nowhere. So you have the mind to deflower a girl in this room? I'm going nowhere.
Oh yeah, come. Come, let's go outside. Let me go and buy some bottles for you, eh? Let's go to Wine. Let me buy some bottles for you.
Oh.
Okay?
I see. You want me to follow you outside this night so you can kill me? I'm not going anywhere. Yes, if you want to kill me in this room. Yes.
I'm not killing anybody and I'm not killing you. Please come, let's go outside. Let me go and show you who I deflowered. Okay? Please. Come, let's go.
Oh, you want to show me who deflowered, eh? Tomorrow. That will be tomorrow. You show me tomorrow. I'm not going anywhere.
You are not sleeping on this bed like this. You're not sleeping on this bed like this. Better go and bathe.
I'm not going anywhere. Simple. Yes.
Why are you not sleeping? You want to kill me, right? No, Ichibum, you want to kill me.
My friend, will you shut up? Why are you not sleeping? Why is your eye too open by this time of the night? Why are you not sleeping? Useless man. Nonsense. Let me go and take my shower. Wait. What is it? I thought I heard a sound.
Sound where?
I heard a sound.
A sound?
Yes. Njoku. Njoku.
Stop calling my name, please. Njoku.
What was that sound?
Please don't stop calling my name, please.
Oh my God. Where are you?
Mama, I'm sure she'll be back. Calm down, eh?
Yes. My wife. It's okay. Don't worry, don't cry again. Eh? Don't get yourself worked up. All is well. I am very, very sure that she will soon come back.
Mama, Onyechi's back.
Eh? Onyechi. I'm okay. Onye, what is it? Onye,
Happy.
I'll give you that here now.
I'll put you out.
No. What is happening to my daughter? What's happened to my daughter?
Inside.
Inside.
Thank you.
Ugochi, I'm finished. I'm finished. My husband disflowered a girl on our matrimonial bed.
It can't be now. How did you know?
I saw a heavy blood stain on the bed. A heavy blood stain. The girl barabara.
Wait. Look. See, right now you need to be focused. All you have to do is just get pregnant. I hope Ejike did not use any protection.
Which protection? When I want a baby. Eh? That guy is fire. He nearly killed me.
You enjoyed it!
Wait. How do you know him?
Somebody introduced him to me.
It's like what he does is to go about, making babies for different women, like a gigolo. That's what he is.
My friend's a gigolo.
No, they want me to say. Meanwhile, we have another appointment today.
Easy maker!
I can't wait. You guys have me?
Wait, what about your husband?
Which husband? Once I notice any sign on my body, I will rape him and finalize the whole thing.
Neka! Sharp girl. Like I said, don't lose focus.
I'm telling you. The other one is still there. Vibrate.
Babe, I don't fully believe those things you told us last night. That you were raped, blah, 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 blah. It sounds like a script to me.
What do you want me to tell you?
Okay. It took you out. Simple. You guys did it. That's why you returned late. Forget all the pretense. I know you when you are lying. So, spill it.
He did not take me out.
He didn't take you out, so what did you do?
He asked me to come and take some money. So I went.
Hey, so you finally went to say?
It wasn't like that. He asked me to come and pick some money. And I went.
And you were shocked? Did you guys do it?
I was about leaving when the wife knocked on the door. And he hid me under the table. Please, Nina, do not tell my brother about this. Please.
But I told you. Did you guys do it like...
He raped me.
Oh, he has killed me. He raped you? Hey! That guy raped you? Oh, my friend. Yeah, sorry. Oh, I told you about this guy. Sorry. Rape.
Please. Do not tell anybody about this.
How can I tell anybody? Do you know what it is? Come here. Sorry.
Wait, is he coming?
I don't know, but I saw his talks.
But let me ask, why is he even looking after us? Why is he after us?
Have you forgotten? Tomorrow is the last day. And so far we have failed him. Hey, God!
Whoa.
How did I get myself involved in this?
My brother, I am leaving this village now to my maternal home. Whatever you people see.
So that's the only thing you want to do? As the Iche, you are supposed to stay and fight.
Fight who?
You have to be in the forefront of the battle. You have to fight so that we will follow. You know, when you were collecting the money, we are at the forefront. You collected the money and you shared amongst us. So when now that it's time to fight, you will still be at that front now.
Wait, the money I collected from him and share among you people.
Yeah.
Did you give it back to me?
You are the Iche, you are the senior man. You have to be in the front.
See, I am done with this discussion. Alele to my maternal home.
Hey, you are going? You want to leave me in the middle of this battle? Hey, I'm coming after you.
Come on, girl. Cheer up. What's up?
Babes, what is it? I mean, we are your friends. You can always talk to us.
Do you believe in prophecy?
Why not? I mean, who doesn't believe in prophecy?
So, what about it?
Never mind.
So, you're hiding things from us now, right?
Come on, baby girl. Spill it. Tell us what the problem is. We might be of help.
Excuse me.
I don't know.
Something must be wrong.
Tomorrow you go better. Then when I believe in you. It's my love. When I go, I sang a double. On a attack, if I it's my love. I love her like that. On a attack, it's my choice. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. We love ourselves. It doesn't matter what one can afford. Oh, this is true love from above.
I'm ready.
This love is beyond human imagination. Our hearts beat for each other. We are made to be together.
You're mad. You're not in love. You didn't even say goodbye. As in, don't worry, we'll not follow you for tomorrow.
Hey, whoa, it's already 2:30. Oh, my people are back. Hey.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my future in-law. Are you people back?
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama. Oh, my people.
I'll come to the house. You must teach me that quadratic and linear equation.
And then I'm going to copy the note I gave you. Don't disturb me.
But I don't play with me. Big head.
Bye-bye.
Are you going already?
Yes, Mama.
Won't you wait? Let me prepare rice for you people to eat.
No, Mama. Don't worry. Later.
Okay. Bye-bye. Oh.
Bye-bye. I'm coming.
Leave him. Let him go. You love playing too much.
Mama, so you've not cooked. Don't tell me to come and cook this rice because now I'm not cooking it.
No, you will only go to the stream for me, oh?
Which stream? Somebody just came back from school, so I'm not going anywhere.
But you want to go to Stanley's house to learn quadratic equation. I'm not fear. Be careful. Both setting, come on, you just go do that. Rice in cabs also total. Yeah?
This is true love from above. This love is beyond human imagination. Our hearts beat for each other. We are made to be together. Inesianiga forever. Inesianiga. Onataki, if open on he's my love. Rub me up. I love him like that. Onataki, open up. He's my choice. Better days ahead. No condition is permanent. No matter what they say, no matter what they do, there is a better tomorrow. I believe in our future. When I go,
Stop.
Okay, see you tomorrow in school.
Alright. Should I come and pick you up? Or you branch to my house?
Come and pick me up, Joe. Who is coming to your house?
I'm only asking.
See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Buy something for me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
When I go, Asanya double
I don't like the way you showered love and care to that guy. It is too much.
What's too much? Liking him.
It is a man's duty to love a woman, not the other way around.
Where was he treating that a man's love should be higher? See, I love Stanley, and I can't stop myself from loving him. So get that into your score.
Correcto. Will you marry him?
Yes, no. I mean, when we finish our university.
See, you see that guy will not marry you. I keep telling you, you'll even be well richer than him. And when you help his life, he will leave you. That's what I foresee.
You will not ruin my mood today. Dibia.
Every time. Stanley. Oh, I so much dislike that guy.
is permanent. No matter what they say, no matter what they do, there is a better tomorrow. I believe in our future.
Kamdiri, you have been like this since morning. I hope all is well.
I'm fine.
You are not. Kamdiri, you are not. Is it about Stanley? You know I approved your friendship with Stanley because he is not perfected and untrained. Stanley is like a son to me. Tell me, did he do anything to you?
Not really.
Then what is it? Are you know?
Mom, please, I said I'm fine. I just want to focus on my studies.
It's all right. Prepare and go to market, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. Prepare to go to market for you say you're not going anywhere.
Yes. What are we doing here? You say that you want us to talk. What is the matter?
This tree. Bear us witness.
Witness? On what?
On what I'm about to say. I truly love you. I don't want to lose you. I can't imagine myself leaving you.
Are you saying this?
Do you truly love me? Will you leave me for another woman in future? Are we going to go our separate ways?
Shh. My love, I can never leave you unless death do us part.
Then let's seal it with an oath.
Okay? An oath?
To prove you love me and will not leave me. I don't want to lose you.
You're not going to lose me.
I'm scared. I don't want to lose you.
You're not going to lose me. I love you.
I love you too. I've learned my life loving you. You've been a good man to me. I love you.
I love you too.
Ugochi, please. I don't want to listen to anything now. Please.
Don't you think that we are lucky to have Neka in our life? Who helps us see our future?
You mean the cowries thing? Telling me that Stanley will leave me in future.
But he actually told you that you become a wealthy lady in the society. And you get Stanley connected. Then Stanley will leave you to marry another person. Isn't that sick in your head?
The only interesting part that I cherished most is that wealthy part. I know I'll be wealthy because I really want to. But you see any other thing that she's saying?
Calm down. Think about this. Think about it.
Please, I don't want to think about anything. You girls should just leave me alone. Leave my life alone. Leave me and Stanley alone.
And what is enough for the wise? That's what I have to tell you. Think about it.
Take your advices to those that need it, because as it stands, I don't need it.
That reminds me. Do you want to cook anything at home? My mom is not back from the market.
Go to start going on. My mom is not.
Come now. Why are you doing like this? Are you not my friend?
Go and meet me next. Go and meet me.
Love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. We love ourselves. It doesn't matter girl, what one can afford. Oh, this is true love from above. This love is beyond human imagination. Our hearts beat for each other. We are made to be together.
Mama, Mama, I miss you.
I miss you too. Yeah. I miss you.
Mama, leave her alone. Let her eat shit.
How was life over there,
Mama, youth service in Kano is not funny. The sun was just too much.
But it didn't affect you. You're still looking very fresh. It's true.
Mama, it was not easy there. It was not easy there.
See, Mama, what do you know?
What do I know? You think I did not go to school?
Oh, Mama, I got school.
Where?
During my own youth service year.
No, Mama, where did you serve?
Where I served? I've forgotten the name of the place. I finished standard 6. Standard 6 those days is your PhD, doctor, whatever. Degree.
Mama, let them poor breathe.
I'm not a poor person. I'm very intelligent. I can read, I can write.
Wonderful. What can you write?
What can you write?
Here. I can write my name very well. I can write Apadu Bello.
Hell.
I can write Nanda Zikiwe. I can write Ojuku. Ojuku.
Mama, Ojuku.
I should write Ojuku. Look at this girl. Even my handwriting is very perfect. Let me show you.
Mama.
Oh. J. Who?
Why are you laughing now? What's the who?
Oju.
But
that is it now. When you're tired of writing, you let people understand that you know what you are doing.
Wonderful.
The remaining of the writing is who?
Wonderful. Mama, you have done well.
Mama.
Wonderful.
You will soon join me now.
Mama, you have done absolutely
very well.
I want to quickly go and see Kamdre. Yes, now, Mama.
You're just coming back now.
Mama, let me just quickly go and see her now. I'm sure she will have come back.
Do you know if she's back?
Mama, I'm back now. I'm sure she would have been back too. Oh yeah, just Mama, don't worry. Let me
come back
go.
earlier.
No problem.
Of course.
Mama, why are you dragging like this, Mama?
We are not dragging it. I want to share it. We're not dragging it.
Okay.
Hey, go now. Go. Come back earlier.
No problem.
If you forget, Buhari week, I get one.
Hello? Now, where are you now? Stanley just left here. You went to the Stanley's house. Oh, hi. Moto nka ibo na emezivu ngagharị. Ya nọrọkwanụ ka mụ na gị kparịa. Ngwa nsogbu adịrọ. Oh, Oh, no problem. Ngwanu. Bye-bye.
Mama. Come. Mama. Oh, is this you? Oh, Mama. Thank you. I missed you. I missed you. How are you? How is service? Mama, service is fine, but I'm done with service. I finished a month ago. Yes, Mama.
Are you serious?
Yes,
Congratulations.
Mama. Where is Stanley, Mama?
He went to look for you in your house now.
Oh, you look so beautiful. Papa.
Chelo, this guy is beautiful.
Thank you, Mama. Don't worry. Very soon, very soon, it will be your turn to wear Kopasha. I can't wait.
He's here.
Oh. Oh my God.
Look at you. Wait. Yeah, I'll give you money later now. 500. Don't worry, hold that one, they go. How are you now?
I'm fine.
I was just going from your place. Hey, look at you. Look at you, come here. Mama.
Brother, you're welcome. Which one is welcome? He just left the house now. You just want to distract them.
Mama, it's okay. She's just welcoming her brother. It's okay, Mama.
Brother that just left 5 seconds ago.
Mama is okay now.
Like distraction, allow them.
We have a lot to talk about.
Yes, sir. Let's sit down. So that's it. That's how my boss gave me a brand new car and reinstated me in her company.
Oh, wow, that's big. Are you serious?
Yes, I am. I mean, I don't even know how to describe that woman. She has a sweet personality. You need to see the way she carries me around her company. I don't know, maybe because I make profits for her and stuff, but she's amazing.
It's you now. I trust you. You know, you're so beautiful.
I know.
And brilliant.
Oh, so that's what they call beauty and what?
Brain.
Auntie Kam. Anything for your girl. I was actually waiting for you to ask that question anyway. I have some goodies for you. I have some clothes for you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, I would like to try them.
Where are they? You're not here now. We have to get to the house. It's at home.
Let's go.
Calm down now. She just came. Hello. Relax. You go to the house later.
Oh my God.
5 minutes to go.
Onyinye is such a character, I swear.
Don't mind her. What would you like to eat?
See, I really don't want you to be bored. I don't want you to be idle.
Come live with me in the house so that I could get you a job in my company. Please.
Oh, babe, we're not married yet. I can't just come and live in your house.
Are you saying we're not going to get married?
I'm not saying that.
That is exactly where I am coming from. We are going to end up as husband and wife. In other words, this house is your house. Everything here belongs to you. Listen, I just need you to give me permission to submit your credentials to my boss, and I bet you she would not turn me down. She's a good woman. Please.
I think I'll just wait on my godfather.
Okay. So what about you coming here to live with me? Are you coming?
I'll think about it.
Oh, hi, baby.
Okay.
Yes. And I was gonna ask. It's been 5 months.
And you were still waiting for your godfather. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm fine, babe. Trust me.
Well, I trust no one. Not even you. Babes, all I'm asking is just for you to come work with me in my company. What is so hard?
Babe. Look, I'll wait. I'll wait for my godfather. Besides, the school job I'm doing is just something to just while away time.
Listen, I really don't want to get upset because now you're beginning to get on my nerves. Really? What's wrong with you? What do you mean you're waiting for your godfather? How long are you supposed to wait for him? What's this? You want to continue like this? Really? I just want something better for you. Just come work at my company. It's not so hard, please.
Babe, look. I believe there's something big coming for me. So I will just wait for my godfather.
Woman, go in there and fetch our daughter out. Eh? Tell her to come and greet her future husband, none ever.
Nah, she is not in town. Huh? Should I tie a rope to her neck and bring her home?
It's alright, old folks. It's okay. Ain't no need to be worried about it. Alright? I think I know where she resides in the city.
Go. you better go there and look for her.
Yes.
You see this your game? It will not work.
It will not work. It will not work.
Okay. That's okay. We good. We good. Ain't no problem about it. We good. Alright?
Emana, I kwado. Just check it. This is a check of 2 million naira. You can share the 500,000. Mama came there. This is a check of 500,000.
I'm not interested.
Huh?
Awesome.
Come on, Ma. You're not going to say no to that.
I am not interested.
Awesome.
Alright. Okay. We good. We good. Yo, Pablo, we need to get going. Old folks, see you around.
Money na in the
Odima.
Enjoy.
Odima. Let's go.
Hungry man.
Wicked woman. You want us to die in poverty in this family? To not work.
I want you to do everything within your power to make sure Kandiri Chukwu becomes my wife. Alright? I will show you more appreciation if you make it happen. Alright?
You know I'm always here with you. I'm always here for you. With this. With this money. Candily, we surely do a U-turn and focus only on you. Trust me. I have it covered.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
I love the sound of that.
Yes.
You see, I've always longed for this to happen. Alright? But I don't even know why she keeps falling for that. That village teacher. I don't know what she sees in him. I can't comprehend. You know, Stanley used to be our prefect way back in school.
Yes.
But how he ended up becoming a village teacher still is a mystery to me.
Now so we see Amo. But you don't have to bother yourself about that man. Don't bother yourself at all. Stanley and Candeli, they are not meant to be together at all. They are not. Yes, you are the chosen one. I will make sure of it. Just relax. Leave everything for me.
Pablo, I love this girl. She's the real deal.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I am.
No.
Why not? Yes, so trust me. I have it. Yes. No problem at all. Once this keeps coming, yeah, I have it covered. You don't have to worry.
Alright.
Let me be on my way.
Alright.
Before my husband start looking for me,
Alright.
Okay, bye-bye,
I'll be expecting you.
Okay, of course.
Alright. That right there is the real deal.
Yes, I believe her.
I think Stanley cast a spell on you. Yes. But don't worry, I know what to do. I will neutralize it. Yes, I will cast it out of you. Don't worry. But let me tell you, Stanley did not promise to marry you. He doesn't want to marry you. You should know that. Neka, you see this conversation? I don't want to have it again. Yes! Don't ever bring up this topic again. I really don't want to get upset, and that is why I'm being this calm. Don't you ever bring up this conversation again, please. Hey, now help, I want help you. Have you finished helping yourself? Hey, make I help you first. Shift away from my door. Now help! I said make I help my friend. You want to help? Is it a crime? And you are still here. Wearing old wig and old clothes. You want to help? Forget about my wig. I am concerned about you. You're my friend. Hey.
You're Sabi, baby. Listen, I'm gonna give you 200,000 bucks. Alright? So you can ease up. Alright?
For what?
You and I know way back in school, she listens to you more than anyone. Am I right or wrong?
You're right, Jidenna.
Good. Yo, Pablo, write me a check of 200,000 bucks.
Okay.
So I need you to have it, and I need you to talk to her into becoming my amiable wife. And should you make it work, I'm gonna appreciate you. That's how we roll.
I'm sorry. I cannot do that.
Hello? What you talking about? Here, have this. 200,000 bucks. Ease off, man. What you saying?
Jidenna, you and I know that it is not possible. I can't do such.
Come on, what you talking about? Huh? We are grown up now. This ain't no secondary school shit. Listen, I've traveled far and wide. Been with all kind of people. Seen different places. We make money. Real money. Gained knowledge. So let her know the stone age is over. Listen, all I want you to do is talk to her to quit whatever she has going on with that pauper called Stanley. And be with a real man like me. I just want to spend my hard-earned money on her. Don't you get it?
Jidenna, enough. You made money. Bravo. Yes, you made money. But for you asking me, Muabu Sabina, to do the impossible, Jidenna, I cannot. Lemanya, I cannot. My own Kamderi. I cannot, Jidenna. I cannot. You have to think, have a rethink.
Okay, I'm giving you 300,000.
Jidenna, make it 1 million, 5 million, 10 million. I cannot.
Sabina, come on, what's the problem? Why are you proving so difficult?
And this should be the last time you ever confront me with
Really?
such.
Really?
I'm out of here.
You're talking to a real dude like me? Huh? Can you imagine?
This girl is such a difficult girl. Man, get me out of here. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah.
What you talking about, man? Shit.
Amarawo na chimaga gekwe o kieremem. Amarawo mo.
Mama.
Again.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, guess what?
Again.
Mama, guess what?
What happened? Have you gotten a job?
Mama, no. Mama, no. Chief Johnson is in town.
Hey! Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I saw one of his securities. He told me that Chief is around.
Hey!
Hey.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I got away.
Mama, see, I need to go and freshen up. I have to go to the city right now. Now.
My son, I wish you all the best.
Amen, Mama.
Yeah, I got this.
Amen.
Yeah, I got this.
Amen, Mama. Amen.
Hey, Chief Johnson. Hey, wo. Hey. Na ngwa. Huh?
Within your power to make sure Kandiri Chuku becomes my wife. Alright? I will show you more appreciation if you make it happen. Alright?
You know I'm always here with you. I'm always here for you. With this, with this money. Candidly, we surely do a U-turn and focus only on you. Trust me. I have it covered.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
I love the sound of that.
Yes.
You see, I've always longed for this to happen. Alright? But I don't even know why she keeps falling for that. That village teacher. I don't know what she sees in him. I can't comprehend. You know, Stanley used to be our prefect way back in school.
Yes.
But how he ended up becoming a village teacher still is a mystery to me.
Now, so we see Amo. But you don't have to bother yourself about that man. Don't bother yourself at all. Stanley and Candeli, they are not meant to be together at all. They are not. Yes, you are the chosen one. I will make sure of it. Just relax. Leave everything for me.
Pablo, I love this girl. She's the real deal.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
I am.
No.
Why not? Yes, so trust me. I have it. Yes. No problem at all. Once this keeps coming, yeah, I have it covered. You don't have to worry.
Alright.
Let me be on my way.
Alright.
Before my husband start looking for me,
Alright.
Okay, bye-bye,
I'll be expecting you.
Okay, of course.
Alright. That right there is the real deal.
Yes, I believe her.
I think Stanley cast a spell on you. Yes. But don't worry, I know what to do. I will neutralize it. Yes. I will cast it out of you. Don't worry. But let me tell you, Stanley did not promise to marry you. He doesn't want to marry you. You should know that. Neka, you see this conversation? I don't want to have it again. Yes. Don't ever bring up this topic again. I really don't want to get upset, and that is why I'm being this calm. Don't you ever bring up this conversation again, please. Hey, now help, I want to help you. Have you finished helping yourself? Hey, make I help you first. Shift away from my door. Now help. I said make I help my friend. You want to help? Is it a crime? And you are still here. Wearing old wig and old clothes. You want to help? Forget about my wig. I am concerned about you. You're my friend. Hey.
You're Sabi, baby. Listen, I'm gonna give you 200,000 bucks. Alright? So you can ease up. Alright?
For what?
You and I know way back in school, she listens to you more than anyone. Am I right or wrong?
You're right, Jidenna.
Good. Yo, Pablo, write me a check of 200,000 bucks.
Okay.
So I need you to have it, and I need you to talk to her into becoming my amiable wife. And should you make it work, I'm gonna appreciate you. That's how we roll.
I'm sorry. I cannot do that.
Hello? What you talking about?
Yeah, the chief.
Here, have this, 200,000 bucks. Ease off, man. What you saying?
Jidenna, you and I know that it is not possible. I can't do such.
Come on, what you talking about? Huh? We are grown up now. This ain't no secondary school shit. Listen, I've traveled far and wide, been with all kind of people, seen different places. We make money, real money, gained knowledge. So let her know the stone age is over. Listen, all I want you to do is talk to her to quit whatever she has going on with that pauper called Stanley. And be with a real man like me. I just want to spend my hard-earned money on her. Don't you get it?
Jidenna, enough. You made money. Bravo. Yes, you made money. But for you asking me, Muabu Sabina, to do the impossible, Jidenna, I cannot. Lemanya, I cannot. My own Kamdiri. I cannot, Jidenna. I cannot. You have to think, have a rethink.
Okay, I'm giving you 300,000.
Jidenna, make it 1 million, 5 million, 10 million. I cannot.
Sabina, come on, what's the problem? Why are you proving so difficult?
And this should be the last time you ever confront me with such.
Really?
I'm out of here.
You're talking to a real dude like me? Huh? Can you imagine? This girl is such a difficult girl. Man, get me out of here. What the fuck? Oh yeah. What's she talking about, man? Shit.
Mama, guess what? Mama, guess what?
What happened? Have you gotten a job?
Mama, no. Chief Johnson is in town.
Hey! Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I saw one of his securities. He told me that Chief is around.
Hey! Really?
Yes.
Oh, I got it.
Mama, see, I need to go and freshen up. I have to go to the city right now. Now.
My son, I wish you all the best.
Amen, Mama.
Yeah, I got it.
Amen.
Yeah, I got it.
Amen, Mama.
Hey, Chief Johnson. Hey, wo. Hey. No, huh?
I don't know what the heck is going on with that girl. I've done everything I could, but she keeps turning me down. Listen, right now, I'm really fed up of her attitude.
You don't have to give up. You don't. I have a plan.
Really? You have a plan? Talk to me about it.
We have to remove Stanley out of the picture permanently.
Stanley? How? I don't get it.
Kill him.
Neka. You always come up with a good plan. That sounds good. That's the real deal.
Exactly. Hello, Kamdiri. I have been calling you now. I've been calling you. I dropped you a WhatsApp message. Kamdiri, check your message and get back to me. Yes. Listen to the WhatsApp and get back to me. Kamdiri, don't tell me you are busy. Don't tell me you are busy. Listen to the voice notes now and get back to me. Forget all these things you are saying, Kamdiri. Confront them. That is all I have to say. Oh. Bye.
Neka, let me make this clear. You are not my mother. You are not my father. You don't own my life. So if you think you can do anything to hurt me, Neka, don't dare me. I don't want to look for Stanley in this world, not even for 1 minute. I don't care to know who your father is, so I don't want to know. I don't want to know the power he has. I don't want to know how strong you are, but Neka, I swear, if you dare me, you will see the other side of me. And just let me make this clear to you. This is not a threat. Neither is it a joke. So if you know what you have done, undo it.
Ha! Who did this? Me. Neka. A snitch.
I can't remember promising you to be my MD. Besides, I have sons and daughters that can do the work much better.
But Chief, you said all that to my mother. You categorically said if I get done with my NYSC...
Look, I said I can't recall that I said so. Even then, it's not possible.
Oh my God, Chief, please, I have waited for months, going to a year. Chief, please, you can't turn your back on me right now. Chief, I have all my credentials here. Let me at least be your staff. Let me work in your organization. Chief, please, I can't go back like this. Please, I'm your godson.
The company has its policy on recruitment of staff. And I am just the CEO of the company. And I don't have power to recruit staff. And at this moment, there's no letter on my table requiring recruitment of staff.
Chief, this cannot be happening. This is not happening, Chief, please. Chief, please, Chief, just have you rethink, please. Chief.
I'm sorry, I have a meeting to attend right now.
Chief.
I'll call you when the need arises, okay? Yeah, I will. Please, I have a meeting to attend. They're waiting for me right now.
Chief, just have you rethink, sir.
Secretary, I'm ready for the meeting. Send them in.
Did I not tell you? I told you, Stanley, I told you not to depend on men. That is only God that is capable of sending a helper. Just like he did and sent Kandri to you. But you were too blind to see it. You were blind now. Ifroya. Now look at Chief Johnson, your godfather. He has disappointed you. After how many months of waiting? This is a heavy blow. Now, learn not to depend on men. Shaki. Am I not saying the truth? Like brother, like sister. Hey! Opiagi muchaki ona it die. Na heavy blow. You were luck Irugazaro. Do.
Mama is not It's your son.
That is what you gain when you depend on men. If you depend on men, Apiagia. Dog.
Please don't forget me at all. I have no one else except you, Uncle. Remember all the promises you made to me. All my hope is on you. Don't let me down, Uncle. Don't forget me. Put me in your list. I need your help. Yellow Maga, help me now. Help me. I need your help. Wanna chimochi. Help me. Kamanario. I need your help.
I can't even believe I'm hearing this right now. I told you, Stanley, I told you. I kept on saying this, but you didn't listen to me. You can't rely on people. See how this man just wasted your whole time. You should have listened to me. Okay, it's not like I'm trying to throw blames at you. You know what? Come to the house over the weekend. Let's sort this out. Stanley, just come. Let's talk about this. We need to look for a way out of this. Babe, I'm going to call you back. Jonah, what is going on here?
I'm sorry, ma. He forced his way in. I was trying to resist him. But he overpowered me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, ma.
Such a nice place you've got here. I must confess.
Jonah, It's okay, you can go.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
So how you doing, beautiful?
It's 2:45 p.m. and you barge into my property like you own it. Listen, this familiarity is becoming an insult to my personality and I don't like it. What do you want?
Marriage. Simple, marry me. I want you to come into my life and rule my vast empire with your sweet prowess on business management. That is what I want.
Does this look like something to you? Of course it should. For goodness sake, Jidena, I am engaged. You don't barge into my property to trash nonsense. You know I have been with Stanley for the longest of time, so quit pushing and let me make this clear. If you want to take your investment off my company, I don't give a damn. You can as well do that. But please, just let me have my peace.
Oh, come on. You engaged yourself, and you know that. Listen, Kandere, I don't know what the problem is, but listen, I know you're way better than this. Listen, Jidena is the person you want in your life. He's the man you want in your life. This is the man you want to spend the rest of your life with. Why are you making things so difficult for me?
You know what, Jidena, you have overstayed your welcome. I would advise you leave my house this minute. If you don't, I will call the EFCC on you. Does that ring a bell? Well, you think I don't know what you do for a living? You think I don't know you, yeah? Well, I do. Leave my house now.
So you're gonna call the FCC and tell them what? That the drug addict is in your house? Is that it? It's okay, fine, I will leave. But think about it. Listen, I'm ready to give you 200 million naira. Just for you to be my wife.
Jidena, get out of my house this minute. Get out.
It's alright, but think about it.
I said get out!
Meanwhile, your elders are on the run all because of you.
What sort of crazy human being is this?
What the hell is going on? Why haven't you done the shit I paid you for?
Miss Candeli, she confronted me.
What you talking about? What for?
Someone leaked my plan. And I think I know the idiot.
Someone leaked the plan. Did you talk to anyone about this?
See, Jidena, you don't have to worry yourself about this. It's already a failed mission. Don't worry. I will try something different. Yes, something different this time around. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna transfer some shit into your account. Alright, just do what you have to do.
And that's what I'm talking about. Jidena. Just keep the money coming and I will give you the best results.
Just do what you got to do, alright?
No problem, Mo. I have it covered.
Not a problem.
I have it covered, no problem.
Nega, we don't have time.
Kandere, I feel like you're kicking at our clients. I mean, potential clients.
I don't understand, ma.
Why are you even bent on marrying to Stanley?
Mom, I thought we talked about this already. I told you it's my private life. I have made my decision. This is a man I have loved all my life. He's the one I chose to be with and not Jidena. I would prefer we keep it that way, Mom.
He's okay. It's just that he wants to pull his investment out of the company. But don't worry, that shouldn't bother you. Oh, I got the email you sent on one wonderful credentials.
Yes, ma.
I would like to see the gentleman.
It's not a problem, ma.
I'll bring him to you. That's okay. Alright, ma, thank you. You're welcome. Yes, you can leave. Alright, thanks. Come. I truly do like your spirit. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome.
Neka, the plan was just to beat her now, not to kill her now. What's this news I'm hearing?
Hey, but that is what they did. That is what they did.
Neka, how can you say that is what they did? Sabina is dead. Are you here saying that's what they did?
Well, she chose to die. They only touched her a little, just a little touch, and she is dead. How is that my business? How is that my concern?
Hi, Neka, today I know that you're very, very senseless. You're very, very mean and very heartless. No, God, I'm finished. This was not... How can you say that about our friend? Her mother is out there crying and lamenting for the death of her daughter, and you're here saying that's what she deserved.
But you caused it. You are the one that told her our plan. You caused it. Now she went and leaked it to Candy. You are the one to be blamed. It is your fault. Yes. But let me ask you, why did you tell her? Give me age we agree. Of course, you get up.
Neka, that does not matter right now.
It does not matter.
See, they were just supposed to just beat her. Small beating. And now she's dead. Do you know what that means?
Can you just close your mouth? Hey, close this hole on your face for once.
Hey.
You're shouting.
Hey.
Listen, this is a secret you will take to your grave. If you open your mouth, wow, just like you're doing now, I will deny you. Bet me, I would. You know me very well.
Gosh!
Stop calling my name.
Hey! I'm finished.
Babes, people are beginning to talk and I don't like it.
And you listen to them.
My uncles are pressuring me to marry Jidemna.
Is that why they summoned you?
Yes. All I'm asking is that you come live with me in the city. Please. You could get something better to do. You don't have to remain here.
Babe. Look. It's a taboo for a man to come live with a woman when they're not married.
What is a taboo? That you don't have money and somebody is offering to come and stay in our house. Did you not tell me? Taboo tawago. My daughter don't mind me. Yeah. Take him. How is your mother?
Yes,
welcome.
Mama. Thank you. What about Onyinyechi?
Don't mind me. I sent her to the market. I went to see my Onyedi. That's where I'm coming back from.
Oh, you're welcome, Mama.
Thank you, Mom. I hope you brought something for us from the city. Oh, you know city things.
Mama, don't mind me, I forgot. I brought you something very special.
Mom.
Let me get it from
Get
the
it, Osbo. And a woge. When you don't have 50 kobo, you're saying it's a taboo. What is a taboo?
I am really impressed by what I see.
Thank you so much, Ma.
You're welcome. Oh, wow. Good enough. Okay, you know what? I will have to take you to the office. I'll show you around the company and at the same time introduce you to all the staffs.
I'm just like that. I'm taken.
Just like that, you are taken.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Just stop thanking me and let's go.
Okay.
You can keep this.
Okay. Yes.
You're welcome.
Hold it here! I say hold it here. Come down!
What the hell is going on here? Huh? What the fuck is this?
Raise your hands up.
What for? You ain't got shit on me. So what now?
I tell you.
You ain't got shit on me. This is some fucking police oppression, man. This is some dumb shit. Listen up. You ain't got shit on me. Alright? What you talking about, man?
Shut
You gotta
up
be
your
damn.
mouth.
Nigerian police will take a easy.
Bend down your head. Do you know this person?
What you talking about?
Say, look at her.
Jidenna.
Shimo. I never met a lady before.
Jidenna. Hey. What is I know him all? I him be the oga.
What? You gotta be crazy, man. Listen, officer. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what's going on here. Listen, I'm gonna call my lawyer. I need to talk to a lawyer right now.
Na him be the oga o. Na him dey send me message.
Officer, we are not criminal.
Listen to me now, for your own good. You are under arrest for the offense of conspiracy and murder.
What?
For your own good, you have to remain silent. For whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Oh yeah?
Officer, you gotta be out of your mind, man. You gotta be out of your mind, man. You're gonna lose your job. You're gonna lose your job. I'm gonna deal with you. I'm gonna deal with your ass.
Officer,
This is fucking police
two of them.
brutality.
Shut up your
This
mouth.
is fucking police brutality.
So, Ma, why are we out here?
Take the key of the car. I arrange a duplex for you in a beautiful environment, so you need a car. So this is for you.
Ma, Mama, are you joking?
I am not joking. So check it out.
Thank you so much, Ma. Thank you. Thank you.
Just stop thanking me and check it out.
Ma, this is my car.
It's yours.
Hey! Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. One more thing. You need a total makeover, meaning we're going to the boutique. I need to clean you up more. That's how everyone.
No problem.
Oh, you're driving.
Oh, yes. Yes. I totally forgot. Okay.
Tomorrow we go better. Then we're I believe in you. It's my love.
Okay. And don't forget to call me when you get home. Okay. Bye.
Hey!
Oh my god! Jeez! Are you
Okay. Oh, please. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please. Please.
Oh my God.
Easy.
Oh, so you're
Of course I have.
Wow.
Here's a toast to our greatness.
Definitely our greatness. You know, when I heard, when I saw the memo saying that you were going to be our branch manager. Hey, see, I couldn't contain my joy. I was so excited. It just, I mean, it felt like we're in the sky already.
I can tell, I know. You know, I have you to thank. I am so grateful, babe. I wouldn't have gotten all this without you. The house, the car, being a branch manager. No, I have you to thank. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is that all? Oh, come on, Stanley. That's not good enough. Is that how to say thank you to a woman? I mean, do it properly.
It's okay. It's
do
okay.
something nice.
Sorry.
Yes, I was expecting something.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Hey, Ome, brother, congratulations. Chelo, this is beautiful. Chelo. Brother, you teach me how to drive.
No problem.
You mean this is your car?
Yes, Mama.
Hi, Ome. This is exactly how a man should be. You can now stand with authority and speak. What do you name?
Yes, Mama.
My daughter, my wife, my daughter-in-law. My God will bless you.
Amen.
You see why they say 2 good heads produce excellent results. You see how you're glowing. Shy.
Mama, he's not your son, Abi.
But he has been my son. Do you know what I went through when I was carrying him in my back?
Mama, don't start with you.
But you know, I told you, this boy suffered me. That's why I love him so much. No, not because of the car, but you know.
Mama, you know. Mama, so I'll be at a place. Okay, we have to go now.
Are you sleeping over? Is it with the car? But you are not sleeping over again. Is it with the car?
Yes, Mama.
Mama
will come back.
Mama will come back. But also so that you take me to the market. Let them know that my son has made money.
Bam.
Congratulations. Why are you doing congratulations? You have to do it. Are you entering from what you call me, Peli or Banyani?
Mama, leave them now.
Mama.
Go fast so that you take me to the market.
No
I'm not going.
Enjoy yourself,
I'll wait for you to come back.
No problem.
No market till he comes. Hey! Can't get him some narrow beep beep. Just for him to be useful. If I did not do that, he will not be useful.
Then Mama.
It's over. Very soon you will join us. Daluno.
Hey!
Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love.
That is how police carried all of them home. Hey!
Mama, you are not serious.
I am.
Jesus. Mama, so that's how they killed Sabina? Just like that? No wonder her line has not been connecting. Asikwam.
Jidenna was among them.
Chidegini?
Jidenna was among.
Mama, this is so heartbreaking. Oh. It's so disheartening. I don't even know what to say.
My dear, he paid the girls to look for who will execute the job.
Why would they want to kill Okay, Mama. I think it's because Sabina told me that they were going to kill Stanley. Yes. That's why they killed her. Are you serious? Hey. Oh, Sabina. Mama, people are wicked though. People are mean. Jesus.
Wow. This is beautiful.
You like it?
Yes, I love it. I love it.
I know you like it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want you to put it on. We'll be leaving for London in 2 days' time.
I don't understand.
We have an international meeting and you and I will be representing the company. We have to work hand in hand, you know.
I thought the general manager is Kamdiri.
Mr. Stanley, you do not tell me who to appoint and what to do. Do you understand? So you need to get ready. In 2 days' time, we'll be leaving the country.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We love ourselves. It doesn't matter what one can afford. Cha-cha. Oh, this is true love from above. This love is beyond human imagination. Our hearts beat for each other. We are made to be.
Babe, why me? No, like, why me? Come on. You've always been there. Why didn't you pick you for this meeting?
I think you should go for the meeting. Go with her.
I don't think so.
Babes, we have no choice.
She's just going to stress me, that's all.
I understand what you're saying, but you need to go with her, please. We were paid to do this. Alright? Just go with her.
Kamdevi, what I say is not good.
Can you just say what you see? Mwadibia.
I see you becoming a very successful woman in your career. That's the only good thing here.
So, what else did you see?
I see you cooking your own heartbreak yourself.
What figure of speech is that one? Are you high or something?
Look at it now.
I'm not seeing anything. It's just this thing and 2 calories.
I see you connecting Stanley to a very rich woman that will in turn take him away from you.
How? What rough play is that one?
If Stanley becomes very successful and richer than you, he will dump you. But you gave him the leverage to do so. If you help him to achieve his goal in life, he will surely dump you. You see why I hate him?
Look, I have never believed in all these fetish things. I have never believed you. Just stop bringing these things to school. Stop bringing calories and this thing to school. You will not hypnotize me with these things. It will never work. Read my lips. It will never work.
Okay. The bottom line is that Stanley will become richer by your effort and get married to the woman you connected him to.
You're too rich.
Yeah.
Babe, what is it? Why the long face? What's the problem?
It's nothing.
You can't say it's nothing. You're not sleeping. Why?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay. Hey, but look at you now. Look at... Why the long face? You're possibly not fine. What's the problem? Talk to me.
I don't know what it is, but I'm suddenly scared.
Scared? Scared of what? What is happening?
That's the issue. I don't even know what it is. Baby. Please, I beg you. Whatever the case may be, don't ever leave me. My love, if you leave me, I will die.
No, babe. Hey, I'm here. I'm not leaving you. But babe, you're scaring me. What is going on?
Everything is just playing out as she said.
She said? Who said now? Who? What are you talking about?
Please, don't leave me. Don't leave me for anything. Whatever.
Babe, it's okay. Hey, look, I swear I'm not going anywhere, okay? Come. It's okay.
You to my family, please.
It's okay. Shh. It's okay.
You're welcome. I am so happy the way things are going for our children. Yeah, so I think it's time we let them know that we're expecting a union. Else they will get carried away by the things they are doing.
Yes, you are right. You are very, very right.
Honestly, I can't wait to be your in-law.
Hey.
I am happy for you. Look at the way you are shining.
You too. You are not looking bad.
Why won't I look good? When my son Stanley placed me on a monthly salary, every month 30,000. You can have a
Hey, thank God for you. Ona adekwa no mma. Nnezusia nwa.
Nwazonne.
Chineke kere dere.
Ma, did you increase my salary?
Nope. From my own account, you'll be receiving 5 million as your new salary. Aside the company wages and allowance that you are entitled to.
Oh, man, no. This is way too much. This is too good to be true.
So, do you prefer a demote or strip you of everything that I've given you in my company? Because it's way too much, like you said. Stanley. Stanley.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, can we drop this mom of a thing and call me Flora, at least for once?
Okay.
Do you even understand anything that I said? Like, do you understand me at all? Oh, suddenly you went dumb. Okay, let me repeat myself. My son Jerry is the father, and I want you to father my son. My company will be giving... Oh, sorry. We own the company together, and 10% of my properties will be transferred to you. I am sure you are aware that I don't have much time to live.
No, I'm not.
I know. Well, our last meeting to London. You remember when I told you I wanted to see your friend?
Yes.
I actually went to see my doctor. And he told me I have limited time to live. That I have cancer and it has already spread. All of it. I just have limited time.
I'm so sorry. I never knew anything about it. I'm so
I
sorry.
don't want that pity. No, please. I don't need pity, honestly. What is worth with our life? Now you see why I need you. I want to die knowing that I remarried and my husband will be there for my son. My son. That is all I need. At least I'm not leaving my son behind for someone I don't know. And please, do not misunderstand me. I know you love Kendry. She told me, and I'm not a bad person. Just trying to look out for myself. That's all I want. Just marry me. Please don't say no.
Tomorrow we go get ours. Never I believe in you. It's my love.
Just pick up your clothes. Just take
If he's my love. I love him like that. He's my choice. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. Whether rich or poor, we love ourselves. Whether good or bad, our love is stronger. We love ourselves. It doesn't matter though what one can afford. Cha-cha. Oh, this is true love from above. This love is beyond human imagination. Our hearts beat for each other. We are made to be together. Inezia niga foya. Inezia niga moyo.
Babe.
Oh my goodness. Where have you been? I've been calling you all day. You weren't taking your calls. Is everything okay?
Yeah,
Wait. Are you coming from a bar? You went out to drink? When did you start all this?
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, okay? Good night.
I've never seen... Something's wrong somewhere. What?
Yes, I am.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I'm sorry about what happened to Onyinye. I really am.
It's fine, okay?
Wait, you mean she was actually kidnapped? I mean, who could have done that to her?
Well, I don't know. I've had a thought about it and I really can't place it. Maybe Jidena is trying to get back at me or something. I don't know.
And, you know, I knew Chief was going to disappoint you.
How did you know?
Well, because I